Hi, welcome to my React Redux frontend with a Rails 5 API backend project. Here, basically, I have a website for a collection of soccer shoes where you can add a new pair of shoes, or you can simply view a collection of soccer shoes that people have added to the collection. And if you really like the pair of shoes, you can actually hit a like button and it increments the count of likes, and you can see how many people actually like that pair of shoes. So this was basically created on a front end with React and Redux, and using the React router, I use RESTful routes to display my URLs. So we are on the home screen right now. I have a nav bar here with 4 components: the home, view collection, add a shoe, and about us. There's another component here, which is the footer as well. So basically, let's get started. You can basically start with viewing a collection of shoes that people have added before. So this data is persisted in the backend. And when you click View Collection, it sends a fetch request to the Rails API to receive all the shoe data. Here you can see there's some kind of styling here, which is a Semantic-ui-react. That's the styling framework that I used. Here, these are shoe cards. It has a name, a brand, a price, a description. As a description, sometimes it could be really, really long. But I have it down on the shoe card as just not exceeding 2 lines. Like, for example, if you see here, if it's more than 2 lines, it has the ... in the end. So you can also click on a pair of shoes to see an individual shoe. For example, let's do this. When you click here, it actually gives you an individual shoe. It tells you the full description of the shoe. You can delete the shoe if it's a duplicate or something. And you can, if you really like the pair of shoes, you can just click the like button and it increments the count of the shoe, and it saves it in the database in the backend on the Rails API. Here you can add a pair of shoes if you see a pair of shoes that you don't see on the collection and you would like to add. So I'm just going to use a dummy info for creating a new pair of shoes. We could use any one thing. It's creating something out of nothing here. Once you press add a new shoe, it redirects you back to the view collection, and you can see here you have a new pair of shoes here, which is a test shoe with 0 likes as well. So you can also press the like button here. It doesn't have to go back to the individual shoe. It also saves it in the database. But if you want to delete a shoe, you got to go to that shoe and hit the delete button. And once it goes back to the backend, it sends another fetch request to destroy the item in the database through the shoe ID. And after that, the response, when it comes back, it redirects you using a router history to the view collection. So as you can see, even if you press the buttons here, you can also use the back and front button to navigate the app. So as you can see, this is a very simple demonstration of the app. And there are a few things that I would like to add here. I would like to add a user where you can log in and you can view your own collection. You can probably, if there's I would also like to add a top 10 maybe as the collection gets larger, so that we can view the top 10 based on the number of likes. Maybe also even sort out the collection based on likes. So the most liked shoe will be displayed first. And you can see the top 10 that way as well. So this is my basic app for now, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and looking forward to implementing more features in this in the future. Thank you.